Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'll be doing something quite different than my other videos which are tech related. Today it's actually something completely different. I will be unboxing and setting up the Lennart drawer which I got from Ikea for roughly around 25 Canadian dollars. I actually got it for $15 because I had some points lying around and I redeemed that for like a $10 voucher. So I got this for $15. The reason I got this is actually it's for my twin brother because I actually have one already set up right next to my table. It's been holding up for like 3 weeks or so, and my brother decided to get the same thing, especially since school started. So, but anyways, really excited to show this video to you guys, and yeah, let's get right into the video. Okay, guys. So before opening it, make sure you have your knife and your screwdriver because if I remember correctly, they don't provide a screwdriver. But yeah, let's open this right up. These are the door panels. These are the drawers, and these are the stands. The back of the stand, these are the screw pack. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so since I already assembled one like 3 weeks ago, as I mentioned earlier, I don't really need the manuals, and I'll do a quick hyperlapse video of me assembling these, so you guys will just see the final product. It's not that difficult too, you just gotta read the manuals, but yeah. Okay, so we just finished the drawer. It didn't take a lot of time, maybe 30 minutes max. I did end up looking at the manual here and there because I forgot how like specific parts are placed. Like for example, this back one right here, is it the way or the opposite way? But yeah, we ended up having to look at the manual. But anyways, here's the drawer for you guys. Overall, it's really good. It's sturdy. I mean, for $25, I'm not complaining. Especially, it's from IKEA, so like they're known to make good quality products for like good prices. And most of my stuff is from IKEA too, by the way. So like my drawer and everything. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video and watching me quickly set this up. And yeah, have a good day, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.